muli, President. Isang mapagpalang araw muli sa ating lahat. At on behalf of Jesus Christ Church International Love Catapamon, ating samahan ang panawagan ng ating Pangulo sa pamagitan ng Proclamation number 934 declaring the 4th week of March 2020 as a National Week of Prayer. Na sana po ay makiisa po tayo sa layunin ng ating mahal na Presidente, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Ito po ay para sa ating lahat. At ang basahin ko po, itong declaration na to, I ask everyone to pray for the country of those who are now suffering from COVID-19, for comfort to those who lost loved ones, and for the protection of all, especially the most vulnerable sectors of society. Pray also for strength and endurance for our outstanding medical professionals and health workers on the frontliners, your military and law enforcement officers, the government officials, and the President of the Philippines. Kaya sana po this coming Friday, March 27, 5 to 7 o'clock, 5 o'clock ang General Bible Study, at 6 to 7 yung ating prayer. Mag-isa tayo yan, National Prayer Week po yan, the whole week, 4th week of March, starting today up to Saturday. Magpalay po tayong lahat, at sana po muli, panawagan po ng ating pamahalaan, mag-isa po tayo sa panalangin ito. Lahat po tayo, walang kung ano man ang pananampalataya, paniniwala mayroon tayo, basta malaga, mag-isa po tayo sa panalangin, yung panawagan, kailangan po natin lahat ito. Magkansa po tayo rito, mga mamamayang Pilipino. Marami pong salamat. Pagpalay po tayo lahat.